Hi everyone, Immortal here. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Metasploitable in VirtualBox. Let's get started. First, search for Metasploitable download, and you'll find many websites. However, make sure you go to information.rapid7.com, which is the official site we'll use to download Metasploitable. As you can see, Metasploitable is a virtual machine designed for testing Metasploit. If you're familiar with Metasploit, you know it's a powerful tool within Kali Linux, but you usually need additional tools to fully utilize it. The great thing about Metasploitable is that it comes pre-configured with everything you need. To download it, you'll need to fill out a form on the Rapid7 site. You can provide random information for fields like name, job title, company, and email address. But make sure the email you enter appears legitimate, like using an edu domain if you're a student. Once you've completed the form, the download will start. It's a zip file, around 900 megabytes, and will be labeled Metasploitable Linux. After downloading, extract the zip file using WinZip, WinRAR, or the built-in tool on your operating system. Inside, you'll find the Metasploitable virtual machine file. Next, open VirtualBox to create a new virtual machine. Click New, name it Metasploitable, and select Linux as the type with Ubuntu 64-bit as the version. Depending on your system, choose either 32-bit or 64-bit. Assign at least 2 gigabytes of RAM to ensure it runs smoothly. Then create a new virtual hard disk, leaving the default settings as VDI, VirtualBox disk image, and dynamically allocated. Allocate at least 10 gigabytes of disk space for this VM. In the settings, increase the CPU allocation to at least 2 processors for better performance. Under Network, if you're using a double Wi-Fi adapter like I am, choose Bridged Adapter for a better connection. Once all settings are configured, click Start to boot up the virtual machine. If you encounter any issues, make sure you've selected the correct Metasploitable file. Upon starting, you'll be prompted to log in. The default username and password are both msfadmin. Remember, when typing the password in Linux, it won't appear on the screen for security reasons. After logging in, you can type ifconfig to check your IP address. That's it. You've successfully installed Metasploitable on VirtualBox, and you're ready to start penetration testing. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more content on Linux, cybersecurity, or ethical hacking, then subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.